Welcome everyone to today's lecture on time management and scheduling with ISO 21500. I am Devarshika Nigam and I will be guiding you through the essential concepts and practices of managing time and scheduling activities effectively in your projects. ISO 21500 provides high-level guidance on project management that can be applied to any organization regardless of size, industry or type. One of the critical areas it addresses is time management and scheduling, which are vital for the successful delivery of projects. Time management and scheduling involve planning, estimating, and controlling the time required to complete project activities and meet deadlines. It ensures that the project is completed on time and within the agreed schedule. Key processes in time management according to ISO 21500. ISO 21500 outlines several key processes in time management. The first step is defining activities. This process involves identifying and documenting the specific actions to be performed to produce the project deliverables. A comprehensive activity list ensures that all work is accounted for and planned. Sequencing activities. Sequencing activities involves identifying and documenting relationships among the project activities. This process defines the order in which tasks should be carried out. Tools like network diagrams and dependency determination are used to sequence activities accurately. Estimating activity durations. Estimating activity durations involves assessing the number of work periods needed to complete individual activities. This process considers factors such as resource availability, historical data, and expert judgment to produce realistic time estimates. Developing the schedule. Developing the schedule involves analyzing activity sequences, durations, and resource requirements to create the project schedule. Techniques like critical path method, critical chain method, and resource optimization are used to develop an realistic and achievable schedule. Controlling the schedule. Controlling the schedule is the process of monitoring the project status to update project progress and manage changes to the schedule baseline. This ensures that the project stays on track and any deviations are addressed promptly. Tools and techniques for time management. Various tools and techniques are recommended by ISO 21500 for effective time management. Gantt charts for visualizing the project timeline. Network diagrams for understanding activity dependencies. Critical path method (CPM) for identifying the longest path of dependent activities. PERT Program Evaluation Review Technique for estimating project duration considering uncertainty. Resource leveling for balancing resource demand and supply. Benefits of effective time management. Effective time management offers numerous benefits. Ensures timely completion of project deliverables, enhances resource utilization, reduces project risks, improves stakeholder satisfaction, facilitates better decision making. In conclusion, time management and scheduling are critical components of project management as outlined in ISO 21500. By defining activities, sequencing them correctly, estimating durations accurately, developing a realistic schedule, and controlling it throughout the project life cycle, you can ensure your projects are completed on time and meet their objectives. Thank you for your attention. Now I'd like to open the floor for any questions you might have about time management and scheduling with ISO 21500. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.